Okay, here we are today. I'm making watermelon juice. It's the easiest recipe in the world. Just make sure you buy a seedless watermelon. Seedless watermelon. That's the most important part here. And we're gonna use honey. So let me cut the watermelon up. And it's not a very big watermelon, so I'm gonna use the whole thing. If it was too big, I would just use half of it, and the other half maybe I would cut up little chunks and throw them inside the juice. I don't know, maybe I'll do that, but right now I'm just gonna cut it up and take it from there. Okay, so I cut the melon in 8 parts. You can cut it doesn't matter which way you cut it. I think it's easier to cut it in small pieces like this. So now I'm gonna put them in the bullet. I'm gonna scoop them up in there. I'm using an ice cream scooper to do this. So that's good for this one. I don't go all the way to the white part. Just put the juice in. Now we're gonna put a good drizzle of honey. Good drizzle. It depends on how sweet you like it, but most everybody likes it really sweet, so just put a good drizzle of it. It should be good. And here we go. Okay, and there you have it. Watermelon juice. Very high on vitamin C, and it's very good for you.